Welcome to Summer IT Solution. Today we're gonna discuss about our familiar with page setup and paragraph setup. Welcome to Summer IT Solution. Today we're gonna familiar with paragraph setup and page setup. In paragraph setup, we're going to discuss about and learn about a space between lines, written text alignment. Basically, there are four types of alignment. One is left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and another is justify alignment. Okay, we will go on live practice with it of what is left, right, and center and justify alignment. We're gonna going to show you how to actual process. Okay, and then after we'll discuss about the page setup. In page setup, today I will cover page margin, page orientations, and uh, page page columns. Okay, and page and finally with page size. So let's start. Okay, you are here is some written text on my documents one word processing. So it is basically it is title. For title it must be in different type of font style or some bold or some looking stylus. For we're going to home tab and choose some stylish font style like okay, I will choose this. Okay, and then I'm going to use here alignment. Okay, the title should be in center. For center I'm going to put it in center as using the center alignment. This is center alignment. Okay, this is center alignment. For that you have to uh, press with your keyboard control plus E. Control plus E. It is for center alignment. Okay, now second is what, our introduction, and you are looking between introduction and this line is very wide range, or space between the both lines are very large, and similarly here the space between these all lines are uh, basically very large. So for that we have to reduce the line space between the paragraph or line. We have to select all documents. If you want to do reduce the space between the whole documents lines, so for select control A. Control is a shortcut for shortcut command for selecting all documents. Okay, or whole text written in the documents. Now in paragraph window, here is paragraph and here is written paragraph. In corner you will see here as an arrow. When you press here, okay, when you click here, it gives a window, paragraph window. Now we have to make before and after, and this line spacing. Before is already 0, make sure it is 0, and make this after also 0. For that press down arrow. Now choose line spacing single, then press OK. Now we'll go and see the effect. Okay, so this is line spacing, how we reduce and how we could increase it. For increasing at same way, select 8, select all, and go to the same go to the same dialog box and increase it up to 10, up to 10. Now look at the effect. The space between the lines is more than earlier. So now make it undo. Now move forward. I am going to justify or alignment whole documents. So select A, control with A, select all and go to the center alignment. Okay, by clicking center alignment or control E, this is center. But in our books or some other documents, the line of right side and left side must be equal. For that we have to go with justify. For justify, click with mouse in justify, or we have shortcut button control plus J. So this is small paragraph settings you can use while you are making some documents for your personal users or office users. So now we forward to page setup or page layout. For page setup we have to go in page layout tab. So press on it. Now in page layout tab, there is a lot of ribbons or options are given about page. First is margin. Margin means the border at right side, left side, how many area you going to left in your documents or paper. While you are giving in your exam, you are cropping with a scale some margin on paper, just like this. So go to the margin option, and here is a lot of, basically we are going to use narrow for small, narrow. According to your use, which type of documents you are going to create, choose the type according to your need. So next is orientation. Orientation means vertically or landscape. There is given portrait is vertical, landscape it is horizontal. Now currently I am written the documents in portrait mode. If I want to print it on landscape mode or make in landscape mode, so I'm going with landscape mode. Click on it, it becomes landscape mode. Okay, now another is page size, means paper size. We have to select which type of paper size we are going to make the documents. So go to the size, page size, and here is a lot of more sizes given here. So custom and later custom size, you have to type and select or make the sizes, which types of size you are going to need. According to your need you can create the size. Okay, basically in documents, everywhere in documents using A4 size paper. Mostly used paper in working area is A4 size paper. A3 size and other size in some printing offsets or some studios are using for other types of document, but official use for working purpose generally used A4 size paper. Okay, it is already in A4 size paper. Okay, now for column means in newspaper, in question paper, we are familiar with the one page has one A4 size paper has two sides written like this. When we make it 2 and 3 and other left and right or more option are available here, but simply we are going to with 2. So the page is split into 2 parts. Okay, it makes 2 parts. So for today is enough. We will meet in next tutorial. Keep supporting. Thank you.